It's a fucking microwave, dude.
Ultra microwave.
Ultra microwave. You making Minos want a fucking microwave? Oh shit! Oh no! No! It just keeps going. God damn it.
You gotta be better than that in the microwave.
Only true Ultra players can... What the fuck am I even saying? Only true ultrakill players can play on the microwave.
Ultra killers?
Wait, I just realized. Hold on. It hasn't even been fully recording the entirety of my monitor. Oh no.
Oh no, we don't want that. Here, hit the potato button.
Here, hang on. Let me display to you.
What is the power level button? Fucking Dragon Ball Z, the scouter.
Wait, what?
On the microwave!
On the microwave power level? Potato!
Yeah, hit the potato button, dude.
I want to hit the potato button.
Soften / melt.
You know what? I'm not even gonna bother trying to reset. Let's see, can I landed on the bridge.
Can you do it again, though?
I can. I'm already getting better at the microwave.
Microwave maxing? Bro, who is Michael? Why is he waving?
Who is the microwave?
Kid named Michael.
Is this where the bridge goes spinny?
Have you ever heard of a woman named
fuck.
Rachel Spiller?
No. God
Kid
damn
named
it.
Rachel Spiller.
God damn it. Am I all the way back at the beginning? No, I don't think so. Where the fuck am I?
Purgatory.
Where the fuck are we?
In the microwave.
In the microwave?
Hello, Peter. Welcome to the microwave.
In this house, we play on microwaves. Do you play on PC or console? Nah, microwave. Here it
Who's
is.
in our microwave?
Punch. God, you can't.
What brand is gonna
you
win the
can't-
console wars?
You can't.
Cuisinart?
Cuisinart. God, you can't even see it. It's right there.
Smile.
Smile?
That's what it
No,
said.
I'm not smiling.
Smile harder, microwave boy.
Alright.
I don't think you're gonna beat my record.
You already would have beaten Minos at this point. Alright.
You can see the eyes!
I can't see the eyes.
Watching you panic in real time.
I can't see the eyes. This sucks.
Go ahead, switch to brutal.
No, I do not. I would not be able to do this on brutal. Ow. God damn it.
OP rank.
I don't think a P rank is even possible.
Would you like to bet?
Why? Are you gonna join me with microwaving?
I think I could. A little practice, and I think I could. That's a good combo. Wow, that's what the game's called.
I did it.
Congratulating.
Congragalaga.
Conflagration.
Oh my god.
Dude, who the fuck is that?
If I aiming it perfectly, you can't even see him. Look, he's gone. He's just gone. Oh wait, never mind. He's back. Hey man.
And thy gore shall glisten.
Should I try? Should I cheese the first half of this?
I mean, you could try.
Because I know how to instantly phase through him. Eh, screw it. I'm probably gonna need it. He's going to start throwing hands, and I'm going to lose sight of him.
Blind, thy time have committed against humanity.
Fuck, I missed. Damn it! Alright, here, Minos.
What the fuck is this?
Only the best ultrakill players can beat Minos on the microwave. Hey, I did it. Are you proud of me? God damn it, I missed. Where is he?
After becoming so rusty at this game, I can still predict exactly what he's about to shoot.
Damn it. What? Where'd he go? I can only see where he is because of his like little halo. Oh, it's still after me!
A perfect fucking screenshot.
I missed the rocket launcher! No!
Next time you die or beat.
Oh, hey, I got
P-rank?
it. Did I P rank? No shit I didn't.
For I have failed to
Hang on.
Try and beat my time.
from this
How many polygons is that?
Dear God, there's so much blood. Let's see. Can we read the terminal? No, we cannot.
I can.
I can't.
The elevator room terminals are, and I can't read because you're too far.
You can't even read it.
I could.
No, this.
Oh,
What is my
that?
time? I mean, you can see it in the corner.
5:39,668.
Alright, that was beating Minos on a microwave. Sisyphus Part 2 coming soon.
I implore